Hey guys, so I'm going to be unboxing today the THX-8000-L from Klipsch. It's an in-wall THX series speaker. We're using a surround and surround rear and it's actually a 9-channel system, but we're going to use it as our surround and surround rear as this is part of the 7-1. Comes with the owner's manual, nice magnetic grille, cutout template, and then the speaker itself. And I'll give you an up-close shot of this guy. It's fully enclosed on the back side. This is more like a bookshelf speaker in your wall. Do not mount in the ceiling, so this is for in-wall application. It has push terminal connectors on the back side. We're going to be running some 12 gauge to it. It has Klipsch's patented 90 by 90 horn. And here, I'll give you an up-close shot of this guy. Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the 8000L THX speaker from Klipsch. If you would like to purchase this item, give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.